one of them in fire. It looked like it Yeah, we don't see these bikes in America, man. There's just so many brands in Italy. It's just a way of life here. I mean, there was a whole Bridgestone race team here. You would never see this in America. Ever. Uh-oh. Some people ain't making their heat. They can't get their bikes to start. I don't think this bike's going to make it. There's a lot of nice bikes in this country, man. They're everywhere. I love these little dainty bikes. I mean, look at that frame. Alright guys, I'm going to go watch some races and I will film some more stuff for you. Remember, we got a whole week. Benelli week starts Monday. Right now we're at Imola Speedway for Vintage Weekend. It's all vintage bikes. But I will shoot lots of videos. See ya. What's going on, kids? Zoe Nick. A CR Rickman 900. 1974. The original gel coat. No paint. That is the gel coat. It's pretty damn good shape for 74. Got a couple little spots, but nothing bad.
A couple spider webs on the tank.
Yeah, not bad though.
But for gel coat, not
yeah, it's
paint.
gel coat.
Original gel coat.
That drilled out. That's original drilled out like that. Barani rims.
10 years I've looked and I haven't seen on that.
Yeah, it's a pretty rare bike.
I love it.
Is it a runner?
Runs perfect. I had it 110 down the Beeline Highway last week running with Johnny Bomber.
Any way we can hear it? Because people on my page would love to hear it.
Yeah, one is.
There we go. Sounds nice. Sounds nice. That's nice.
That's been my personal bike 10 years.
It's a nice bike, man. You're not selling it, are you?
I got 22,000 on it.
I wouldn't sell it, man.
I got a 69 Shelby convertible that needs paint interior.
Yeah, but you'll never find this again.
I'll never find it again.
If it's gone, it's gone.
I know.
It's one of those bikes that you won't ever find again.
And like I say, it's sat like this in a guy's house since 1975. 3,000 miles ago to one summer, boom.
I don't know, man. I don't know if I could sell it.
10 years it's sitting in my living room, you know. I'm just got to change it up. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. That's a tough one. It's a tough one to let go of there. That's a cool little toy too. Really neat little sidecar. I think it was a carnival ride. Alright guys, I'll show you more cool stuff. See it. What's going on, kids? Pretty cool bike right here. Something you'll never see. 1960. Can you see that name? Pannonia. Pannonia. I'm not sure how you pronounce it, but it's Pannonia. It's pretty cool. I really like the way they did the body. Love the way they closed the handlebars. Everything about it's cool. It's almost like the aerial leader, all closed in. Reminds me of that. But a bigger bike, much bigger than the aerial leader. Love the red seat. Pretty cool. These are chapels. They're all made in the same factory. And then a guy was importing some of these earlier ones into California, and they came out in America badged white. The guy's name was Jack White. I remember them. Very hard to find though. Anyway, just thought I'd share. There's some other stuff I'll share with you. Just making our way through Hungary and checking out Hungarian brands because not many people know them. All right, guys, have a great day. Something we definitely don't see in America. This is a 53 Moto-B twin two-stroke. I just pulled it off the museum floor, pointed at it, and they said everything in here runs. So I'm putting them to the test. So far, only one we couldn't get started. Oh, look at that, instantaneously. If you're gonna buy a Moto-B, this is the one you want. Too, man. Moto-B, this is the one you want. You made one with twin carbs, that's even better. That's sweet, man. Thing fires right up. Those kicks. Yeah, awesome bike. Alright guys, we'll show you some more. There it is, 1932 Benelli 175 Sport. Good looking little bike. They came with the painted rims from back then. There was no chrome, very little. It was funny because they chrome the sides of the tank, but they don't do the rims. But yeah, great little bike. Alright, see you in the next one, guys. What's up, guys and girls? LA Nick. Check this thing out, man. 36 Beach Racer from Daytona. 1937 broke the land speed record, 136 miles an hour on a knucklehead. It's pretty cool. It doesn't look very comfortable though. You're just laying down on that tank. Big old tack. Definitely doesn't look comfortable. I don't know. I don't even understand the position you must have been in. Let's see if there's any pictures of him on it. Yep, right here. Glares too much for the... Can't really see the picture, but yeah, it's pretty cool. Definitely cool. I like the tail end. I don't like that seat, but the tail end's cool, especially from the back. Put a string of LED light right down there for a tail light. That'd be cool. Definitely would be cool. Alright, well, I'm going to be shooting a lot of video this weekend. I'm in Milwaukee for the Mama Tried show and the Harley Davidson Museum. So I'll be shooting lots of stuff, so keep watching. Thanks, guys. What's going on, people? LA Nick at the Miko motorcycle auction. There's some wacky stuff. Like, that's whacked out to me. Double engine Harley chopper. I don't get it. It's not my thing, man. Look, no one will even pay $5,000.
Come on, $5,000.
No one will buy it.
6, 7, 8, 9.
I mean, someone did a ton of work for that thing, and they can't even sell it. Someone's buying $100 grand.
Rolling. $9,000 bid. Anybody get 10,000? Anybody get 9 bid? Anybody get 10? Anybody get 10? Anybody get 9? Anybody get 10? I have 9,000. Anybody get 10,000? Anybody get 10 bid? Reserve is off. I have 9,000.
I mean, look how much work is into that. Don't build custom choppers, man. Sold for $9 grand. Someone probably has 100 in it. So this I like. A little shovel head, dainty frame, nice and small. It's a cool bike. This bike's nice. I'm not a chopper guy, but I like this one. Yeah, see, it's already jumped up 20 grand. It's a cool bike. $19 grand. It's a nice chopper though. It's pretty, man. Well done. Nicely done. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and share, man. Sharing my videos help me a lot. So I'll keep filming, you keep watching. What's going on, guys and girls? LA Nick at the Miko motorcycle auction in Las Vegas. There's some crazy bikes here, man. This Beamer's pretty crazy. I mean, this thing is just... I don't think I've ever seen a Beamer this old. That's 1925. That's pretty fancy for 1925, man, with all the nickel plating. 1925 bikes were pretty primitive. This one's pretty nice. Look at this, just the overkill, like the Speedo drive, and it's even got a tack. This is a piece of art, man. But it's probably really expensive. Like crazy expensive probably. And it takes a lot to ride these old bikes because you have to advance the timing and retard the timing, and there's a lot to them. Not like the new bike. This thing's pretty sweet. Maybe the nicest one. Oh, I see another one over there. We'll go look at that one too, but this one's pretty sweet. And look, it's shaft drive. All the way back then, man. That's crazy. All shaft drive. Someone did a beautiful restoration, and I like that they didn't chrome it. This is nickel plate, not chrome, because there was no chrome in that year. The only thing this is the brake. So the brake just runs in this channel. See the brakes right there? So it's just a friction brake, man. Probably not very good to stop. But it's nice. It looks like fine jewelry. Here's another. This is a 28 Victoria. That's pretty nice too, but not as nice as the Beamer. It's not as cool. Doesn't have any gauges. Lower economy model. There's so many brands of motorcycles that most Americans have never heard of. But yeah, this thing's nice. Everything's nickel plated. You can see that it has a different look to it than chrome. It looks more like jewelry. This is a pretty bike. One of the prettiest ones I've seen here. So I'll keep shooting. There's a lot of bikes here. I'll keep shooting videos for you guys. I appreciate you watching, and I really appreciate you sharing. Thanks, guys. What's going on, kids? I'm Nick. A little smoky in here because she hasn't been running for a while. Let her warm up. This is the 87 RG 500 Skull Bandit issue, which was House of Colors in the UK. Painted these bikes. They were all blue and white, but they painted these Skull Bandit models. Let it get up to operating temperature. First time I started it this year, smokes the hell out of the garage. Great bike though. This particular one, it's got pretty low mileage. So much smoke I can't even see. 7,000 miles. It's pretty good. 7,000 miles is pretty good for an 86 or 87. Sorry, this was 87. They only made 532 RGs in 87 because the U.S. had outlawed. They outlawed two-strokes before the RG came out. So this was never sold in the United States, ever. But this one came in through Toronto into New York. A friend of mine, Mark Rashevsky, bought it. And then I got it. But yeah, awesome bike. I had the seat cowl for it right up there. For some reason I took it off. But yeah, it's a great bike. This particular one has been modified a little bit, exhaust. And oil pump's been taken out, so it's premix only, and some motor work, carbs and air cleaners, and battery delete. So it's got no battery, which I like. Always starts every year. Second kick, always fires. So yep, the RGs are pretty good bikes. You know, the RG and the GSXR, these kind of changed the history of motorcycles, in my opinion, from tractor quality to aircraft quality, because these things are both like aircrafts. You know, first aluminum frames. GSXRs were so fast they had to have their own race series because they were so fast. But I like the RG better because you sit higher in the saddle. This thing, you sit in it. The seat was 2 inches higher. I think it would have been a better bike. But anyway, I'm going to pull this outside and let it run because there's too much smoke in the garage. Can't even see. All right, see you guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you sharing. Thanks. Okay, what's going on, people? Well, I'm Nick. So, back to Kawasaki triples. Got a bunch of nice ones. Want to move them. Willing to deal. Here's a 74 500. Pretty nice. Not restored. Original paint. We're asking 12 for it, but like I said, willing to deal. Here's a 75. Needs a little paint and love, but it's all there. Original exhaust. Motor does turn over. Here's an H2 75. It's got nice factory exhaust. believe it runs 400 triple. It's pretty, you don't see the 400s too often. I actually like the 400s a lot. This is a 75. You can buy this bike for $6,500. Like I said, we'll negotiate. 73 350 triple. $6,500. Pretty nice though. It's a pretty nice bike. Unmolested. Even has the grab bar. Got a lot of Hondas. A lot of Honda Super Sports. This one's really nice. Honda 75, 76, 75. So you're in the Hondas. We got a lot of Hondas. A lot of 750 Super Sports that have been cafe'd out. You're in the cafe racers. We got them. Old Ironhead Sportster. Needs some loving. There's a pretty nice Sportster. Another one. Customized. Motor Guzzies. Two Motor Guzzies. A 75 and a 71. Ambassador's a nice bike. I used to have one of these. I liked it. Good cruiser, man. This one's pretty nice too. 850T. They need new homes, so looking for something in Kawasaki KZ 900, original pipes, unmolested. It won't be cheap. It's a 73, and it's the right color combo. And like I said, it's unmolested. So, I didn't see that cowlie over there. Let's go see what that is. That must